Hi, I'm Megan Bittinger with KR Office Interiors, and today we are in the beautiful town of Big Sky, Montana, so that I can take you on a tour of one of our latest projects. It's sunny outside, but let's go inside to take a look. So we're here in one of the rooms that we have put workstations into. We have 4 different workstations that are supported by the Answer panel system. Each of the workstations has overhead storage for binders or miscellaneous items, as well as undersurface storage. We can do different types of undersurface storage, but these are what we call box file drawer pedestals for things like pencils or small items, as well as filing needs. Each workstation is an L-shaped workstation to give maximum amount of surface area. The panels themselves are powered underneath so that we can minimize cords and make everything look very clean. So we are here in what will be the conference room. And for conference rooms, we can do a variety of chairs. The first chair that we have here is the steel case silk chair. And the reason we like to use this chair for around a conference table is that it provides movement for people as they're sitting and talking, but doesn't have a lot of extra features so people can't fidget and mess with the chair while they're in meetings. The second chair that we have in this conference room is called the Move chair, and this is for additional seating around the edge of the room. The great thing about Move chairs is that they're really diverse, and they can be fully upholstered like this chair is, or they can be completely plastic. So we're here at a reception desk for this client, and the reception desk that we have today is a fairly simple one. It's pretty small and just a straight desk with a full reception transaction counter. And then on the back side of it, they just have a simple under storage 3-drawer pedestal. This is a great way to fit a small desk in for a small space, but still maximize the use and make sure we have all the versatility we need for it. The chair that we have here is what we've used for all of the lounge chairs in this space. It's called a Coalesce Passerelle chair, and it's quite comfortable, can be upholstered in many different fabrics, and works really well for some contemporary styles. We are now in a private office for this client, and the great thing about private offices in this project is we really maximize their storage. So we have a full wardrobe cabinet for anything they might need for personal storage. We also have double high overheads. Underneath the overheads, we have tack boards so that anybody who would like to post papers, notes, pictures, they can do so without actually damaging any walls. The main part of this desk is the height adjustable component right here. And this is a great feature in any office so that you can have the ability to choose whether you want to stand or sit. The last component of this office I want to talk about are the guest chairs. These guest chairs are called Bindu chairs. They're from a company called Coalesce. They are incredibly comfortable, as well as they can be upholstered in many different fabrics. They have a sleek contemporary look with the thin black legs. This tour is to show you all the furniture that we can provide. We start with design, we order, and we install. So if you're in Southwest Montana and have any furniture needs, please give us a call at KR Office Interiors.